Hey, happy Friday. Thank God it's Friday, August 8th, 2025. It's T Haven. Good morning to everybody. Listen, I wanted to kind of do like a little small video shout out to Dontay and Dontay London. They kind of been like moving algorithm wise on YouTube, and everybody just been like putting their name out. But listen, I want to kind of put my twist on what I think is happening. And I understand the ups and downs of YouTube. Watching you guys have really kind of like opened my eyes, opened my mind to being creative in so many different avenues. And I think do not box yourself into one audience, right? Kind of keep that open. But anyway, shout out to Dontay. Congratulations of getting your product back on the market. That is awesome. I think, that's a good thing. Go ahead and push that. Give people another side of you, the marketing, the business side of Latoya, because I did not know you were on Instagram and you had like thousands. Somebody said you had like over 100,000 followers on Instagram at one time. You were kicking, sis. Go ahead and open up that market for yourself. Go ahead and provide yourself that broader audience so that people can really know the true Latoya. Don't give them just Dontay, because you gave us the DoorDash driving, doing gig work. You're explaining how you get up and make it happen, how you can make $300 a day. You showed us that, but give us the other side of you being a business owner, an entrepreneur, a small business owner. There are many avenues that you can go down, not even just on YouTube, but there's so many different things that you could be doing, marketing your stuff on TikTok as well. I know you already know that Amazon, you got some things that's under your belt that I can see just sitting back watching. I don't know you. I just met you literally just a few months ago. I did a shout out to you. I did a response video. You reached out. You were very quick in your response. You were very prompt, and I appreciate that. And you also let me know, hey, I see you, sis. I'm not leaving you out there just hanging on by yourself, and I appreciate that. Thank you for letting me know that you recognize, just a little bit that I've called myself trying to put out, as a content creator. And the things that I like to see is reality. I do like story times. I like people telling me like the things that you may have gone through. I be sitting back in the screen watching YouTube, and I be talking to y'all through the screen and saying, yeah, girl, yeah, I know about all of that. Then I just bust out laughing. I know nobody's like hearing me. But, it's almost that relatable, that, I totally understand where you are. And that's, many wishes to you on Dontay. Dontay London, take it one step at a time. Take it one day at a time. You try to switch over to doing healthy, good videos. The people was not watching. So you're like, hey, well, let me get them the bad side of me. Let me go back to the Dontay London that they knew. We were watching you in the projects. A lot of people, I browsed through you. I saw you pop up in my algorithm months ago, probably the first of 2025. I just never really just kind of, I glanced at it, but then I moved on. But I see a lot of people like, hey, what's going on? Why he can't seem to be settled? He can't keep his mind focused. He has a lot on his plate, and he's, keep in mind, we're much older. He's like very young. He has a wife. He's trying to figure it all out. And it just seemed like I got a little bit of twist of his dad walking away, and it seemed like he was afraid. He was telling his dad, I'm afraid, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Seemed like he's kind of still like in that mode, and I understand that. Y'all have to give people time to grow into themselves. And you're like, he a grown man, he be okay, but that don't mean anything. Like, give him time, let him be him. Okay, and if he wants to give us that on YouTube, let him do that. We don't control anything in another person's life. We just control us. And Dontay London, I just want to say to you, shout out to you, much wishes and God blessings to you. And get close to God. ACOG, he said that he did a video towards you. He gave you a shout out, and it wasn't all bad. He did a video and said, hey, get God in your life, get God back in your life. He's experienced. Military ACOG, shout out to you, sir. And I appreciate y'all doing these videos. Just keeping my eyes open and helping me to understand how people move, how people work. They like the bad, they like the negative, and y'all complain about that. But when he did the good stuff and tried to switch over, nobody was watching. So, this is all about views. This is all about having an audience, being able to retain your audience, retain your followers, okay? Anyway, y'all, peace out. Much blessings to you. It is T Haven. So much love. I love you so much.